How to create account in Fantasy Premier League. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the Fantasy Premier League application on your device and tap on your profile icon on the bottom left of your screen. Here you will see the option for Join My PL. Tap on that and then tap on the Continue button when prompted. Now, in the interface that you will be led to, you can join using your email address or you can join using your Google account, your Facebook account, your Apple account, or your X account. So, go ahead and choose the option that suits your preference the best. For today's video, I will join using my Google account. So, if you are using your Google account too, then tap on the Join with Google option you see there, and further go ahead and enter your login credentials for Google, and then tap on the Continue button when prompted, and then tap on Continue again. Now, in the interface that you will then be led to, go ahead and enter your email address, your full name, your last name, your date of birth, your gender, your country of residence, and your nationality, along with your phone number. Once you have entered all these, go ahead and accept the terms and conditions by checking the checkbox you see there. And finally, tap on the Create Account button, and with this, your account will be created. You will then be prompted to select your favorite club, so go ahead and select your favorite club, and with this, your account will be created successfully. So, this is how you can create account in Fantasy Premier League. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.